A grease trap is a plumbing system that separates and captures fats, oils, and greases from wastewater before it enters the sewer system. Commercial kitchens and restaurants produce wastewater riddled with fogs, or fats, oils, and greases, every day, and without a grease trap, this wastewater can cause backups and clogs or even damage sewer lines if the grease is not properly removed. But how exactly does this process work? Let's take a closer look. Grease traps function on slowing down the flow of water to separate fogs. Wastewater with fogs will enter the system through an inlet pipe. Once the wastewater begins to enter the system, the flow is slowed down by a series of baffles, which are wall-like dividers inside the grease trap. Solid debris will sink to the bottom of the trap, and the fogs will float to the top. The clean water, in the middle of the trap, then exits through an outlet pipe positioned perfectly in the middle of the grease trap system. For tips on how to clean and maintain your facility's grease trap, visit www.stateindustrial.com to learn more.